At 25, Alex was doing everything right. College degree, full-time job, working 9 hours a day. Yet every month, the same message appeared on his phone. Balance. 17. No matter how hard he worked, he stayed broke. And today, millions of people are stuck exactly where Alex was. But here's the truth, nobody tells you about making money. We're taught one simple rule: work harder to earn more. But if that were true, construction workers, nurses, and teachers would all be rich. They're not poor because they're lazy. They're poor because time has a limit. You only have 24 hours. Selling time for money will always cap your income. Alex didn't realize this until something changed. One night, Alex asked a different question. Not, how do I get a raise? But, how does money work when I'm not working? That question changed everything. He discovered a simple rule wealthy people follow. Income must be scalable. Meaning, you do the work once, and get paid again and again. Let me break it down simply. 1. Skill-based income. Fastest start. Alex learned a high-value skill, something businesses need. Examples: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, AI tools, freelancing online. He didn't need money. He needed skills plus internet. Within 60 days, he earned more freelancing than his old job. 2. Leverage income. Smarter money. Then he upgraded. Instead of working alone, he used leverage, content, YouTube, Reels, blogs, automation, digital products, online services, own video. Thousands of views. Multiple income sources. Same effort. More money. 3. Asset income. Long-term freedom. Finally, Alex stopped chasing money and started buying assets. Assets are things that pay you. Stocks, businesses, websites, real estate, intellectual property. This is how money works for you, not against you. Let me be honest. There is no shortcut, no magic app, no overnight success. But there is a system. People fail because they chase quick cash, they quit early, they never learn how money actually moves. Alex wasn't special. He just stayed consistent. If you're tired of being stuck, if you want income that grows instead of drains you, this channel is built for you. I break down real money skills, proven income systems, mistakes that keep people broke. Subscribe now, because the next video might change how you earn forever.